Good morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. I got my coffee and I hope it's still morning when this uploads. I want to apologize for not being here last week much. Sometimes life gets in the way, and for me, life got in a big way. Got in the way in a big way. I have not been feeling good. I have been having chest pains and a lot of swelling and stuff going on all week. And the swelling is still there, the chest pains is still there, but we're on the way of finding a solution. After church yesterday, I went to a medical center next door to my church and was there most all day long. And so we've been able to determine some things. I did not have a heart attack, praise God for that, but I have a lot of inflammation in my chest walls. We're not sure where it's coming from. We don't know, but it hurts. I talked to the doctor. I spent a long time talking to the doctor about my health choices and stuff, about my, wishes to remain as holistically using my essential oils as much as possible. So I did not take any pain medication from him. I did take something called meloxicam, which is an anti-inflammatory medicine, as a backup plan, because I plan on using my turmeric and my frankincense and see if I can get the inflammation out that way. But I promised him in 2 days' time, if it wasn't better, I would take the anti-inflammatory medicine. So he also could not, they did x-rays and stuff in my chest, and he couldn't see the left ventricle part of my heart very well. But he doesn't think it's a bad problem or anything. It's just, it might be just the way it appeared on the x-ray. So I have to do some more testing for that. But my cardiac enzymes and the EKG did not show any kind of heart damage at all. So, and that's a good thing. He also noticed a slight difference in sizes between my left and right lung. And why he said that may not even be a problem at all, we need to investigate that a little bit more. On a positive note, they did tell me that my creatinine levels were coming down, and that's a good thing. That means that my kidneys are starting to recover a little bit, and dialysis might not be in my future after all. And that's a real big praise. So that's kind of where I stand now. There's still a lot of unknowns, but I just got to learn to deal with some pain right now, and hopefully things are going to get better. But I will keep y'all all informed, because I know I've had so many, and thank you guys, I've had so many text messages and well wishes from everybody, and I so appreciate that. I love each and every one of you. My loyal subscribers have been here for me forever, and I just want you to know that I really do appreciate it. So I've decided over the next couple of weeks, until things get calmed down or whatever, that I will have videos up. I just don't know what or when. Except for this. On Wednesday, I will have our Color Combo Challenge video. We usually go live with our cards on the first of the month, but Gareth and Angie, who's Rags, Tags, and Confections, they had some technical difficulties with their videos. Somewhere between YouTube and their camera or whatever, it got distorted anyway. But those will be up on this Wednesday. So I do know that video will be out, because that video has already been done. So, yeah. And I do have a couple of little things. Hopefully I can get them up and out for you. This month is a very busy month for me. It's, I really don't have time for all this this chest stuff. But every Thanksgiving for the past several years, our church has helped sponsor the Feed the Hungry program, where we deliver over 5,000 meals on Thanksgiving Day. This is something that I took interest in as our community service coordinator for our church. Several years ago, we started out in a small way, and this year, I'm actually heading the whole thing. And it's a lot of work. So be praying for that for me, you guys. And So I'm going to be very busy over the next few weeks. but I am going to try to get as many videos out as possible. So I just really appreciate your thoughts with that. And I will be having my daily devotions every day this week. And I may have a small Dollar Tree haul for y'all tomorrow. I'm not sure. Manager called me. She wanted me to come look at a couple of things. I want to finish up why this week for you, but I haven't been able to find everything that I need, and that's why it didn't get finished last week. But hopefully I can work on that this week. So we are turned to cold weather right now. We've had some cold weather coming in, and so that's another part of the delay I have, because part of my project I need to do outside because it involves some spray paint. Anyway, so this is going to be a really quick Monday morning coffee. I just wanted to let you know where we are, where I'm at, and what's going on. I will have videos up this week, so please watch for them. I would rather say, I'd rather be vague about what and when I'm going to have up than tell you I'm going to have something up and then it doesn't materialize. I'm really trying to get better on that. And for all of you who, videos that have been put out that watch my channel, I am watching your videos. I am trying to comment on them. But I am kind of behind, but I am watching videos. And so, this morning, I would like to give a shout out to another one of my subscribers. And I would like to give a shout out to Rebecca Creates here on YouTube. Rebecca has a lovely channel. She does lovely work. She does resin work. She has some beautiful projects that she's made. And I will link her channel below, so please go over and check out Rebecca Creates. And then I also would like to give a shout out to my good friend Lori Seabrook. And she hasn't been doing videos that much because of her health, but she has an amazing channel. She's my flower lady. She's the flower guru, I call her. She makes beautiful flowers, and she has some beautiful projects on there. And if you've not ever checked her channel out, please go over and check her channel out. And I will link it below also. She has some really wonderful videos on there, so go check her out as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me this morning. And I will see you all this week sometime. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in soon. Bye.